Here we've got HTC Desire 20 Pro, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at first, open the settings, go to display then, and now click on wallpaper. Here you have to select the source that you would like to choose your wallpaper from. It can be one from live wallpapers, something from your own photos, or wallpapers gallery. So let me pick the gallery of the default wallpapers. Here you've got all the options. Okay. And then just pick the one that you like the most, so maybe I will pick this one or that one, and click on set wallpaper. Finally, you have to decide if you want this picture to cover your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both of them, home and lock screen. And this is what I will pick, and as you can see, from now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home screen and also the lock screen. And that will be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.